And liftoff Falcon 9, go Transporter 11.
In August 2024, Tomorrow.io expanded its reach, deploying revolutionary microwave sounder technology that captures critical weather data with unprecedented speed and precision.
NOAA's testing whether Tomorrow.io's commercial microwave sounder data would improve weather prediction models.
We are in the new space paradigm. I've been at the company for not even 2 years yet, and I have seen something go from hardware in a pile to being launched in a year and a half. Like that's insane.